PlanetTogether is very customizable to suit specific needs. Gantt view label manipulation is a very effective method of customization. Besides color scheme alteration, displaying desired label information, where you can choose from hundreds of fields to display, can reduce confusion and increase clarity for the scheduler and the schedule viewers. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to change Gantt view label information in PlanetTogether. Once in PlanetTogether, select the Gantt view. Then click on the Labels button. Select the single block label radio button to view only limited order information for only the top segment. Click Apply to preview your changes. Select the individual segment labels radio button to view the label information on each segment. Once again, click Apply to preview your changes. Your Apply button gives you a preview of the changes you make. In the Show column, select the slider next to each segment type to view it on the Gantt. Most of the segment types can be modified by clicking on the segment title box. Expand this window and go all the way to the end of the text. Hit Enter to start a new line. In the text search area, you can search from hundreds of fields. For example, drag and drop the field to the label area. If you'd like another field, search for it and then drag and drop that as well. Click Apply to see your changes. You can also enter additional information via text to make it helpful on the Gantt view. Click the Save and Close button to keep the changes, or the Cancel button to remove the changes.